Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Boy with English. I want to ask you a question, a very personal question. Do you feel like a silent genius? In your head, when you listen to a movie or a podcast, you feel smart. You understand the jokes. You understand the story. You think, my English is getting so good. But then, the moment comes. You meet a foreigner, you go to a job interview, or you just try to record a video. Suddenly, your brain feels like an empty room. The words are there, hiding behind a locked door. You can see them, but you cannot touch them. You want to say something beautiful, but all that comes out is, yes, good. Then, after the conversation is finished, you walk away and suddenly, pop, the words come back. Oh, I should have said that. Why didn't I remember that word 5 minutes ago? If this happens to you, please, do not be sad. You are not broken. You are just stuck in the passive trap. Today, we are going to break that lock. We are going to move your English from your storage to your voice. Part 2. The Science of the Two Brains. Why does this happen? It happens because your brain has two different folders for English. Folder number 1 is your passive folder. This is huge. It is like a giant library. What does it contain? Every word you have ever seen on Netflix. Every grammar rule you learned in school. Every song lyric you know by heart. When you hear these words, your brain recognizes them instantly. Folder number 2 is your active folder. This is very small. It only contains the words you use every single day. The problem is, most students spend 100% of their time putting more books into the library, the passive folder. You watch more videos, you read more books. You think this will help you speak, but it won't. Watching a person swim does not teach you how to swim. You can watch 10,000 hours of swimming videos, but the moment you jump into the water, you will sink. Why? Because your muscles don't know what to do. Speaking English is a muscle skill, not a memory skill. To speak, you need to build a bridge between the library and the mouth. Part 3. The Shadowing Workshop. Let's build that bridge right now. We are going to do a slow shadowing exercise. I will say a natural phrase. I want you to say it exactly like me. Don't think about grammar. Just copy my sound. Phrase 1. I've been thinking about it. Say it again. I've been thinking about it. Phrase 2. I didn't mean to do that. Again. I didn't mean to do that. Phrase 3. That's not what I meant. Repeat. That's not what I meant. Phrase 4. Let me explain. Repeat. Let me explain. Phrase 5. I see what you mean. Repeat. I see what you mean. Now, let's practice manipulation. I give you sentence, you change to question. Practice 1. Me. He likes coffee. You. Does he like coffee? Me. They went to park. You. Did they go to park? Me. She finished work. You. Has she finished work? Me. We need help. You. Do we need help? Me. It works fine. You. Does it work fine? If that felt difficult, Good. That heavy feeling is bridge building. Part 4. 5-minute loud talk habit. How make permanent? 5-minute loud talk. Every day, 5 minutes. Narrate your life. Breakfast example. Making breakfast. Okay, now getting eggs. Put eggs in pan. Pan very hot. Need some salt. Coffee smell good. Shower example. Now turn water. Water too cold. Adjust hot cold. Soap smell nice. Walking example. Sun shining bright. Dog runs fast. Children play park. Sound silly? Yes, but works. Mouth muscles practice. Brain hears your voice. Confidence grows fast. Daily schedule. Morning, breakfast narration. Afternoon, walk narration. Night, mirror narration. Part 5. Conclusion and promise. My friends, understanding to speaking, hardest journey. But you halfway there. Knowledge, you have. Need, movement. Stop studying, student. Start speaking, speaker. Mistakes, okay. Bad grammar, okay. Broken bridge, better than no bridge. Thank you, trusting me. Great job today. I believe you. Boy with English, don't silent. Be heard. Bye now.